If you browse through YouTube, for example, you're going to see different videos and titles of people, showing how to build Uber in 3 days or how to build Airbnb in 3 hours. And then those videos show them building those apps within that time frame. I mean, we even have a demo of how to build Wordle on Bubble. And I think the process was like 2.5 hours in total, including teaching. But what you don't see in these videos where people are building these apps in really short time frames is that they've already mastered the skill set required to do so. I mean, the fact is, if you are a beginner, for example, you're not going to be able to come onto Bubble and build Wordle in 2.5 hours if you wanted to. There would be a lot more time involved in skill building first. In fact, if someone at, let's say, an intermediate level came onto Bubble and was going to clone Wordle, maybe they would be able to do it within a certain time frame, but would they build it correctly, right? It might look and work the same in a demo, but would it scale? Would it perform well? Besides just learning how to use a no-code tool correctly, you have to understand correct development best practices and methodology, and that's no-code platform aside. So there's just a lot more to what you often see in those compressed demos. Now, to be clear, I'm not saying any of this to deter you. What you are aiming to achieve is very likely possible. You just need to take the right approach. And part of that involves having the correct information, the right expectations, so that you can make the right decisions, because this is a venture, an endeavor that you are taking seriously. You're probably going to be investing a significant amount of time and money into bringing your app to life. And so you want to be able to move forward informed. That's what this is aimed to do for you.